Alright, today we're going to talk about the distributive property. So we've talked about some properties in the past, like the commutative property, associative property, identity property. Now we're going to talk about the distributive property. This is what the distributive property tells us. Alright, A, and then parentheses, B plus C is equal to A times B plus A times C. This is how that works. Alright, A times B plus A times C. So I take the outside number, or outside variable, whatever it is, multiply it by the n one first, then I take the addition sign and I copy it down, and then I take the A times the back number. Here you can see it's A times B minus A times C. So let's try some of these out together. Here we go. Now, this is how it works. We go 4 times 3 plus 4 times 5. Now, if you guys haven't seen this before, I'm going to show you that it works. Alright? 4 times 3 is 12, plus 4 times 5 is 20, and that's equal to 32. If I was to solve this normally, that would be 4 times 8, which is equal to 32. So you can see that works. I'll show you the same thing here. This would be 2 times 8 minus 2 times 7. 2 times 8 is 16, minus 2 times 7 is 14. That's equal to 2. If I was to solve this normally, it would be 2 times 8 minus 7 is 1, which is equal to 2. So it shows you that no matter how I solve it, it equals the same thing. Reason distributive property can be helpful is, one, sometimes we have variables inside, and it can help us simplify the whole term. Alright, also it can help us do mental math a little bit faster sometimes. So let's show you with some with variables. In algebra, this is oftentimes how we're going to see it. So here we have a negative. You see that negative there? We have to be careful with that. That goes with it all. So it's negative 4 times x plus negative 4 times 9, which is negative 36. Alright, we could simplify that down to negative 4x minus 36. Here it's on the back side. That's okay. We can still take the 3, multiply it by the 7, so 3 times 7 minus 3 times r, or 21 minus 3r. So this is how we would solve these. What if we have lots of variables, alright? Here, we can multiply each of these times each term. So it'd be m n m x plus m n n y plus 2 p m n. I can simplify this down. I have 2 m's, so that would be m squared in x. Here I have 2 n's, so it'd be m n squared y, and I like to keep things in alphabetical order, so I'm going to make it 2 m n p. That's how I would simplify the above equation. Let's try this one. It's negative x y y 2. Let's draw a little line here. Alright, minus negative xy x2 z. Let's simplify this. I always like to have those negatives in front. Also, I like to have the numbers in front. Those are our coefficients. So it would be negative 2 xy squared. 2 negatives make a positive 2 x squared y z. So that's how we do the distributive property. Take it, multiply it by each term, copy it down, be careful about your negatives. If you guys have questions, feel free to ask. Bye.